feel like this. Only been days, but it feel like months.
Come in and pay.
Like months.
Let me catch you. Just in case.
Life move fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
Gosh.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
Guys, good morning. Say good morning. I guess he's not in a good morning mood. Oh Lord, he has a cold. Oh gosh. He has a cold that for some reason we can't get rid of. Oh, now he's saying good morning. Yeah. I see you, Romario. I see you.
You should have saw him with the vlog camera yesterday when you were sleeping.
Oh,
Hi guys.
Uh-huh.
Hi guys. I told him to give me the damn camera. He busted the door on me in the bathroom. See, saying the
good
same thing.
morning. Hi guys.
Stop coughing in my direction.
All right, so we're heading out now. Go spend some quality family time together. Oh Lord, can't be in the islands and not enjoy the view. Can't sit down in a house every day. Gotta go out, go enjoy yourself. So that's what we're going to go do. Mr. Williams don't have on a seatbelt. That's why you're here to be.
No, it's reverse.
No, I seatbelt too. Okay, let me see if it's still gonna make the noise when he stops reversing. Okay, yeah, I hope it stop makes the noise. So I hope it stop makes the noise in time. You see your face? Oh gosh.
I know that's reverse.
18 minutes late.
Yesterday we left out of the house at 7.
Actually, we say we left on time yesterday. I know.
See?
We stop.
But your seatbelt sign, put on your seatbelt.
No, but you tell me say seatbelt sign.
Oh gosh, you need to put your seatbelt on. What's that? Huh? Oh, yeah, but you know, you want to put to bed.
Really no, because what time you go to bed?
I would tell you because
What time Mr. Williams have me up?
what time Mr. Williams have you up? You could have gone to your bed. You choose to stay up late. Because Mr. Williams was sleeping before you came in the bed.
I don't know how to sleep with him yesterday. Mario grieved me last night when I drop asleep on the bed and he come back.
I soon have to be the ambassador of KFC. I mean, you're eating KFC.
Hello, I had fries with you.
Yeah. Waiting.
Oh, you want the chicken?
Get me some spicy. I love the spicy chicken.
Everything about KFC.
AC will in the car. Let's see. So this is gonna be the Jamaica highway bypass bridge. Love this Jamaica. Love this. Love this. It's about time. 2030 vision. Love this. Love this. It reminds me of the overseas where we have the top and bottom. Yeah, I think it's this year supposed to be finished. I think. Oh, we find apple. Mario. Oh, more the pan that the yeah. So this is our Jamaican apple. Mario, just stop and go pick two.
You can't jump over a fence.
You can jump over a fence here. Yeah, come back.
You can't no wrong. You don't.
We can't sit up on car. The stem was in my mouth all along.
What's the vine?
Mommy, he's eating it.
Yeah, he's eating it. Yum yum.
Stop eating it.
No, sir. I walk on there back there.
They're stuck on my tongue.
Oh, gosh.
Apple?
This one here?
Say apple.
Yeah. See right there, sir?
Uncle Tony, you want the toilet?
Hey, sir, you're stepping on my mother's breast.
Mommy.
Yeah, step on my mother's
Every
breast.
time I think about grandma, you know what I think about when you're ready and you just put them out and you walk out.
Oh, gosh. It fit perfectly, you know? I like that. Just right. Babe, you can go the range of your other hand. Lord have mercy, Sir Williams.
Go take picture and send it by your phone. Alright.
Never bought it, man.
Let me check. Good man.
Yeah, man.
So they had so many the same size or something.
A different size.
So now you just put in so.
You know, see, cut to fit and made just for her. Hello, how are you about to me record? How are you going so? Man! You know, see, we all and they have change of clothes. You know me, they look for river. Oh, river dry up here. Me blows. Yo, river dry. Tony, you can't find one tickle jam off the coconut them. Where I mean, out of tree, man? Yeah. Tree. Painter. Come in and paint out it.
Yeah, but once, you know, to be the popular company, this you know, like a boss now go lapo.
Guys, grandma's thing is touched up. Here is painted white, and the frame is painted over. And here got sweet as well.
You still vlog? You must have vlog was supposed to go up and release today. I edit. I lazy for edit.
So it looks like that.
Hey, you, Tanya.
Look like I'm going for a swim. Dunk on him now, I'm swinging off the rim. Bitch ain't coming off the bench, while I'm coming off the court fully drenched. Here goes some haterade, get your thirst quenched. Style on him in his Burberry trench. These birds copy every word, every inch. But gang got the hammer and the wrench. I pull up in that $250,000 off the lot. Oh, now she tryna be friends like I forgot. Show off my diamonds like I'm signed by the rock. Ain't pushing out his baby till he bite her rock. Hey, yo, I been
Alright, shy.
Cowboy Carter, time to strike a match and light up this juke joint.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Baby, you give me ice and fire.
guys, look at Plum. Okay, Plum pantry. Oh gosh, well apple. Call it Plum. Mirror. Yeah, Spider-Man.
Yeah, but I don't make a person.
Why? You don't see Spider-Man they jump.
2 minutes. 2 minutes with the chat from the river.
And under AC. Mary just say let it tick there so. See one tick there.
One party.
You're one big. Holy.
I feel me that, you know? Okay.
Amber, they eat some of them. Go over there, that tree over there, so. Mirror.
That's why I'm going to chop off.
No, not chuck off. You're going with Sister Faz. So, this is usually where a river is, but the river is dry. Yeah. So, imagine water come down. You know, I'll get washed away. So, you must get one tick. See one tick that
The
there.
apple them are so young.
I don't care.
What do you mean they're so young? They're not young. Before the funny one, you see it? So ripe on the funny man. Watch out. Yeah, go jump down there too. Hello, Mr. Tony just scared down. Watch out. Yeah, wait. You see a real countryman. You don't belong to a countryman.
The one there? The one there me I don't, you know.
Hey, where can you be overseas and stop a road and they pick off apple off tree? Eh? Oh, in a riverbed.
Look down there, so.
Hey, in a riverbed. See, look what it does. Hey, you know, see 2 trees. That's it. So them big. I know, just wash with a little bit of water and eat. You see how this one they dance, you see food? Go on with the bigger branch, yeah.
Mommy.
You want one bag? Wait, we don't bag in that car?
No, sir.
I need one bag, man. Oh gosh. No. Sit in there, pick one bag in that car. One bag in here. If you come on, just swing with it. All I know can swim. No, one bag, big bag in there. None at all? How will you not make the apple them to drop out of the tree? Wait! Oh, oh, look at that one. There's that big one there. Catch it. Oh my. Man, it's dropping the head. But let me catch you just in case. Hello, how many buses still I eat?
Shit, why?
I live in here. I live take you before we. Then we have water can wash it.
Oh Lord, now this is the life. What don't I get done? Eat out, even those ones right there? Those 3 up there? Oh man.
Bird belly.
Bird belly. Okay, well at least we have enough. Ah! Oh shoot. Oh gosh. Eh? You see me just work so hard. They record them. They get stoned by apple. And then they tell me something I'm going to get none. Eh? We work so hard. They watch them, they get stoned by apple out of the tree. And then they tell me something I'm going to get none. Hmm? Oh boy. What the first one you pick? I me want.
No, I'm eating first.
Seeing it and getting it are 2 different things. I how no go come up now.
May I go see if they want, if I should change it or if they suggest that I re-pierce. And then the piercing will have that healing just.
Over here.
Yeah, right there.
2 years.
Good day. Cooper apple. Be careful. They say you make it.
Jump on the face and protect the food. That's all I can say.
Make it. We have to videotape it now just in case any on no drop.
Don't drop the food enough. Yeah, drop.
Wait. Oh God, Lord, go pull it out. Baby go on there. Let me take it down now. They fight over here. This one drop. I big one. If you want the biggest one right there, what you do with them? You make it up. Watch out. If you want the biggest one out of everybody.
I think I know.
Good. Oh gosh. It dropped, but it's still good. So see guys, look how then drop a mash up the apple them, but that's okay. Look a bit of water then still go fit. Watch out. The two you fight over the one apple. Disgusting. Why water that? But you don't drink coffee water or if you wash this in them? Eh? Oh gosh. Well, everybody get apple.
I got video with butter and grass.
I don't know. Everybody get apple, so yeah, eat up for me one.
Apple.
Papa! Always so they run back.
I will come down for apple.
Apple! Yeah, apple. He said no. It's so like he said no.
Don't get any apple? What is it? See apple now? You not go point to them.
Apple, let me want you loaded.
Loaded.
Tell you.
Stop. You not looking up. Make can't.
Ito nila man yam.
You can't then watch it.
I'm going to say we go up there so early, no?
Oh, film for kakao.
She asleep. I'm see chair recline all the way back.
They got a bag. Apple, guys.
Don't work so hard to find an apple tree.
We have to stop and buy apple. Buy coconuts. Yeah, I stop and get some apple and stuff. So at least we have it. I see right there. Oh, tour today. Oh gosh. Be a wild. Ada mama nyanyi? Oh my, Nikki. Lord. Holy. Look at that.
Yeah, man, almost 12 years. Alright? Yeah.
I remember it. Just came from Pantana. I'm gonna get myself some ice cream. I get coconut ice cream. Tastes so good, guys. Yeah. You eat ice cream? Alright. When you start confident today. Now my around great no see. Yeah. Yay.
Sweet.
We have one more stop to make and then we're gonna head up. Yeah. How productive day. Huh?
Oh my gosh, I didn't even take a picture.